You know what I'm about to talk to you about, and that is the dreaded driveline noise. I have good news for you. Now, Can-am has a fix for it. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fisher's Off-Road, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about a serious issue. If you own a 2022 to 2024 Can-am Maverick Sport MAX or Can-am Commander MAX. If you own one of these units or you were thinking about buying one of these units, you know what I'm about to talk to you about. And that is the dreaded driveline noise right around 25 miles an hour, right at that sweet spot. You get that kind of rattle. It's just irritating. And 4,700 RPM, somewhere in around there. You know what I'm talking about if you own one. We have had several of these units since 2020 in our fleet, in our rental fleet. We run about 15 of these units at a time, and I cannot tell you how frustrating it is doing the tours and they are talking about this thing's ready to blow up. Know that that's the way they sound. I have good news for you. If you have this issue, there is an update, and this is the permanent fix. I'm going to give you the information that Can-am has given us on this fix, and you can take it to your dealer and you can get it updated, you can get it fixed. Now, good news, if you're planning on buying a 2025, they are going to have it fixed and up and running in the 25 model. But 22 to 24, you can take it to your dealer and get it fixed. The bulletin I received, it says, we now have a permanent solution for customers experiencing the propeller shaft noise and vibration issue on model year 22 to 24 Commander MAX and Maverick Sport MAX units. Now, you'll notice I just said propeller shaft. That's what BRP calls it. They don't call it drive line or drive shaft or anything like that. So propeller shaft is what they call it. This solution will replace the previous one shared in December 2023. Now, there have been several prototypes and several other solutions to this problem, but it really just didn't fix it 100%, or the dealers weren't happy with how long it took to do the repair. So now they have this permanent fix, and I've been talking with Can-am engineers for 4 years now about this, and we've tried several prototypes for them ourselves, and this is the one. They've got it fixed, and they're extremely happy with this, and you won't have that tin can rattle noise anymore. Kits associated with this solution will be distributed starting in mid-August 2024. If you ordered the kits meant for the previous solution, do not order a new set, because we will replace it with the new kit associated with the permanent solution. Therefore, we ask you to implement these solutions first for past customers who are still experiencing the issue. In the description, I'll put the bulletin number and the notes, so that way all you have to do is call your local dealer and get this fixed up to get that annoying noise taken care of. I love these units. I think they are awesome units. They're super quiet, they run great, they drive great. But that driveline chatter is the worst. It's extremely annoying, and now Can-am has a fix for it. So there you go, guys. Check out your local dealer to get your unit fixed. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.